In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Calendar. We'll start from the very beginning so you can follow along easily, even if this is your first time using Zoho. First, open your Zoho account and sign in. Once you're inside your account, look for the Apps section. This is where Zoho organizes its different tools and services in one place, making it easy to switch between them. From there, locate Calendar and click on it. This will open Zoho Calendar, where you can manage your schedule, create events, and keep track of important dates. If you've never used it before, take a moment to look around the layout so you can get familiar with where everything is. Now, if you want to create a new event, simply click New Event. This is the main option you'll use whenever you want to add something to your calendar, whether it's a meeting, reminder, appointment, or personal task. After clicking it, you'll be asked to enter the event details. Start by adding a title. Make the title clear and specific, so it's easy to recognize later when you look at your calendar. Next, select the date for the event. Be sure to choose the correct day, so your schedule stays accurate and organized. After that, fill in any other necessary details. Depending on what you need, this can include the time, description, location, or other event-related information. Adding complete details can be very helpful, especially if you're using your calendar regularly for planning and time management. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your event will then appear on your calendar, and you'll be able to see it in your schedule right away. This makes it much easier to stay on top of upcoming plans and avoid missing important activities. You can also share your calendar if needed. To do that, click the three dots and then select Share. This is useful if you want to give access to teammates, family members, or anyone else who needs to view your schedule. Before sharing, it's a good idea to double-check what information is visible so you stay in control of your privacy. That's the basic process for using Zoho Calendar. Once you know how to open it, create events, and share your calendar, the rest becomes much easier. Feel free to use the calendar and explore its features more as you go. The more you use it, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become.